In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a partial squat. So this is a fantastic exercise for those looking just to learn initially the squat movement, as well as those looking to do this for rehabilitation as well. So firstly, I'm going to show you from a frontal view what the squat looks like. So from here, I've got my feet slightly wider than hip width apart, and you'll notice they are pointing straight, but ever so slightly to the sides. I then have a wall in front of me, which I'm going to grab onto for my stability. And from here, once I've got them feet wider than hip width apart and pointing slightly out, but still relatively straight, I'm then going to pop my hands on the wall and I'm going to come down, bringing my bum back and back up, then squeezing my glutes to the top. So as I come down, my knees are tracking nice and straight, and then you can bring your arms into support if you need to when you come lower. So let's say, for example, you come down, you go, uh-oh, I actually can't get back up. That's what the wall's there for. You can use it for assistance as well as balance. So when you're doing the partial squat, if you find that when you're coming down, your knees are coming in, you're going to make sure that either they're tracking where the toes are. So what I mean by that is when you come down and back into the squat, you want to make sure that if you look at your knee, it's in line with that first and second toe. If it's over here and you notice, actually, no, it's not in line, or it's too far this way, you're going to need to adjust the position of your knees accordingly, whether that's bringing them out or bringing them in from an everted or inverted position, dependent on where it is. So, squat position, feet slightly out, hold onto the wall if you need to. Looking at the knees as you come down, trying to track them to the big toe and the second toe. And at the same time as doing that, bringing your hips back first to the back of the room, and then coming down into that partial squat and back up. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a partial squat.